In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Calendly to Loom. This is a great way to streamline your scheduling process right from your video content. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive in! First things first, you're going to want to open Loom and sign in to your account. If you don't have an account yet, it's super easy to create one. Just go to the Loom website, follow the sign-up prompts, and once you're in, it's time to get started. Once you're signed in, navigate to the Loom video where you want to add your Calendly link. It could be a video where you explain your services, a tutorial, or any presentation where you'd like viewers to have the option to schedule a meeting with you easily. When you've found that perfect video, click to open it. Now that you're in the video, look to the right side of your screen, make sure you are in the Edit section. This is where the magic happens. In the Edit mode, scroll down until you find a section titled Take Action. It's usually placed conveniently for easy access. In this Take Action section, you'll see a button that says Add Link. Go ahead and click on that. This is the key step where you're going to include your Calendly booking link. If you already have your Calendly link copied, fantastic. You just need to paste it into the input field that appears after you click Add Link. If you haven't gotten your link yet, go to your Calendly account, create or select an event, and copy the link provided for that event. After pasting your Calendly link, you'll want to create an inviting call to action. In the next input field, enter the button text you want your viewers to see. This could be something simple yet effective, like book a meeting or schedule time with me. Make sure it's clear and encouraging so your viewers know exactly what to do next. Next up, let's customize your button a bit further. If you see options for the button's appearance and position, take a moment to choose something that aligns with your video's theme and looks appealing. You may want to change the color or size, depending on what stands out best against the video content. Ultimately, you want to make sure the button is noticeable and easy to click for your viewers. Once you've set everything up perfectly, don't forget to save your changes. This is a crucial step to ensure that all your hard work isn't lost. After saving, it's a good idea to play the video or open its share page to check the Calendly button's functionality. This way, you can confirm that everything looks great and works properly. When you test the button, click on it to ensure that it redirects to your Calendly page seamlessly. This way, you're guaranteed that when a viewer clicks the button, they can easily schedule a meeting with you without any hiccups. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've effectively linked your Calendly account to Loom, providing an easy way for your viewers to book meetings directly from your videos. This not only saves you time, but helps you to connect with your audience more effectively. Don't forget to share this video with others who may find it helpful, and let me know in the comments how linking Calendly to Loom has improved your scheduling process. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.